everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with the rugged case by Nomad for the Apple AirPods. So this works with your Apple AirPods Gen 1 and Gen 2, and it even supports the wireless charging case. So you're covered on all fronts when it comes to things AirPods. So you can see here, I have the natural one. I've been using it for about a month now, and you can see that the leather has changed somewhat. On the bottom, you've got the lightning charging port there, and on the back, you can see the little metal hasp. That is important to note whenever you're installing it. And then, wah, wah, wah. It's like Pac-Man. It opens up and closes, and opens up and closes, and opens up and closes. So there's a whole lot of features going on here. It's real easy to pop the top off. Just from the side, apply some pressure. On the bottom, push through the charging port so you can push on the case. And that should bring it up just enough that you can pull the AirPods case out. If you've had it in there for a while, it might get stuck. You might need to use something other than your finger to get it out. But otherwise, it comes out of the case pretty easy. So all this is a decorative and protective case that you can put on your AirPods case itself. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, it comes in the natural color, which I have here. It also comes in brown, which I don't have one of those. But the black one I think looks really cool. And it's especially cool if you have other Nomad products. So if you've got one of the black iPhone cases, or one of the brown iPhone cases, or the wallet, or a whole host of different things, you can pair all this stuff together and it all looks really nice. And it's all got the Horween leather on it, which is one of the oldest tanneries in the United States. It's American made since 1905. So the leather, it develops the rugged patina over time. You can see the transition from the leather there. You could even see a difference on this one here. And mine's kind of in the middle stages. You can see the box is a little bit lighter than when you get a chance to look at my case here in just a second. But mine has kind of gotten a little bit darker over time as I've been using it. And this one you can see is a little bit lighter. So I'll be able to compare both of them and put them side by side here in a minute, and you can see what it looks like. But all it is it's just a simple, nice, elegant case that you can pop on your AirPods and you can roll in style. And additionally, it is called the rugged case, so it is designed to take a little bit of a beating. You don't have to baby it too much, but definitely keep it away from the water. Don't put it in with your keys or anything that could scratch it up. Otherwise, you'll end up with beauty marks and blemishes on it, but otherwise, they hold up pretty well. Now here we go with the case. You can see there's that cutout I was talking about. That's important. You want the shiny part, the hinge, on your AirPods case to go where that notch is at. That way the lid can open up and you don't have to worry about the case popping out of the case. Because I'll show you here, I'll go ahead and flip it around the other way. And if you don't put the hinge where it's supposed to be, whenever you lift the lid, it pops the case up partially out of the rugged case. So you don't want that to happen. So that's the only thing you need to worry about. Make sure the hinge is on the cutout side, and then you can put the top on any way that you want. It's uniform, it's identical on both sides, so whichever one you want, and then you can have your little AirPods case to the little Pac-Man thing and you're good to go. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's very easy to get the AirPods in and out. It doesn't add any extra difficulty or put anything in the way of taking them out of the case. It does obscure the LED light on the outside, so you can't see that. But other than that, it looks really nice and it complements the AirPods case really well. So see, you can see the box there. It's a little bit lighter whenever you first get it. Now mine isn't quite at the 100-day mark yet, but you can definitely tell there's been a transition in the color of the leather. So here we go. See, it looks more cream colored whenever you first get it, and that's what it looks like after about 30 days. So I've managed to avoid getting any blemishes or anything like that, but it looks really cool and it's really nice and it complements the AirPods really well. So that's all I've got on the Nomad rugged case for the AirPods. You can pick them up for $29.95, hellonomad.com. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.